Now after that bit of homework, we start with states of matter. You know that there are three states of matter. What are these states of matter? Solid, you have liquids and gas. Gas is coming out from the kettle. Okay, the vapors are coming out from the kettle. Okay, so there are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Now, the properties which decide the state of matter, that is in which state the matter is, that is decided on the basis of certain properties. Okay, so what are these properties? The first one is intermolecular space. So intermolecular space will decide whether this matter is a solid or a liquid or a gas. Okay, so we will discuss when we look at the molecular model of solid, liquid and gas. So first property, remember, we have to look into the intermolecular space. Second, we have to see how much is the force of attraction between the molecules. Okay, so we have to discuss about the force of attraction between the molecules also. Next, the kinetic energy of molecules due to their motion. So how much kinetic energy is there, that also we have to discuss when we discuss about the state of matter. Okay, so let us see the molecular model of solids. So this is the molecular model of solids. So how are the molecules arranged? The molecules of solid are closely packed. You can see here they are closely packed, isn't it? Tightly packed. Intermolecular spaces are very small. There are spaces, but the spaces are very small. See here, little space, okay? Only little spaces are there. So that means in solids, how are the intermolecular spaces? Very small, because they are very, very close to each other. What about the force of attraction between molecules? It is very strong. That is why they are so close to each other, because they are so much attracted towards each other that they all sit very closely. Okay, so that is closely packed. So that is the intermolecular. When you friends, when you have a group in the class and you are very good friends, then you always try to sit very close to each other, isn't it? So there is no social distancing in case of solids. Nowadays we have to talk about social distancing, but they are very, very close to each other. So remember, spaces between them is very small and the force of attraction between the molecules is very strong. And next, third point that we have to discuss is the kinetic energy, isn't it? In the last slide we saw what were the properties which we have to discuss. One was the intermolecular space. Second, we have to discuss about the force of attraction. And third, about how much energy do they have. So since they are very close, they don't leave their space. They are just sitting there and vibrating. So here this molecule will keep on vibrating. Then this molecule will vibrate. This molecule will vibrate. So that is how the molecules can move in their own places. So they are not leaving their position. So that is how solid molecules are. Molecules can only vibrate about their mean position. They do not leave their position. So they cannot leave their position. So this is about solids. Okay. Now let us consider liquids. So what do you see here in liquids? Little bit more space is there. They can move around inside this container. Okay. And that is just a little bit here and there they can move. Okay. So intermolecular spaces, you can see little bit are there. What can you say about the force of attraction? More or less than the solids? What can you say about the kinetic energy? More or less than the solids? Okay. I think you have made up all the answers in your mind. So let us see whether you are correct or not. First, the liquid molecules are not so closely packed like solid molecules. So they are not so closely packed, okay, like the solid molecules. Next, the intermolecular space is more than the solids. Solids, they were very closely packed, but here the space is little bit more. They have more room to move about. Okay. Next, the force of attraction between the molecule is weak in comparison to solids. So if you compare the force of attraction, it is weak. Okay. So you have to write one is here. Molecule is weak